Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into Midjourney through our Discord account. Now let's begin. Go to discord.com and log into your account right now. Do make sure that you have joined the Midjourney server. If you do not know how to join the Midjourney server, we have already created a video regarding that. You can view that as well. Right here, I'm gonna go to the Midjourney server, and what you need to do is simply be on this Getting Started page. Simply scroll up, and here's the link right here on step 1 that says Get your Midjourney membership. Simply click on it. Now let's click on Visit Site. A new page like this is gonna open up. What you need to do is simply log in. Now a pop-up like this will open up. You can read these prompts as well, but simply scroll down and click on Authorize. And then something like this will open up. As you can see, we have successfully logged into our Midjourney account through Discord. You can look at it from here as well. You can change the light mode, dark mode, everything. You can log out, manage uploads, manage subscriptions, everything. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log into your Midjourney account through Discord. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.